When is the cord cut? When the mom is pregnant, they form an organ called the placenta. And the placenta attaches to a cord that connects mom to baby. And that's usually, the main purpose is to supply oxygen, nutrients, minerals, and also get the exit from baby out through the mom. Now, once the baby is born, the placenta and the cord stop being functional and they're not needed anymore. So what will happen is that one, the placenta will get birthed, and then the baby has to be disconnected from the cord. Now, for many, many, many births, the cord is cut immediately after the baby is born. But research over the years has actually showed us that by the time your baby is born, 30% of their blood, let me repeat that, 30% of their blood is caught up in the cord and the placenta. So if the cord is cut immediately, then that means your baby loses a lot of that blood. So what we're encouraging now is that we delay cutting of the cord so that all that blood can be transfused to the baby's body. How does it help them? It helps your baby have enough amounts or volume of blood in them, and not just the blood, but also the components that come with the blood, especially the hemoglobin, the red blood cells, and the white blood cells. And those protect the baby from a lot of things, like anemia and other infections that could come because their white cell count, which is what fights disease in our body, is at the right amount. So what is the delay then? What we're saying is wait till the cord stops to pulsate. When you touch the cord after birth, it has a heartbeat similar to that of the baby. And until that heartbeat goes, then you're sure that all the blood has been transfused to the baby's body. Then you can cut it. A lot of midwives wait even for the placenta to be born, because then once the placenta is born, it's clear that the cord, all the blood has gone, because then the placenta gets detached from the uterus and is born. But in other setups, you just keep checking the cord and make sure that it has stopped pulsating, and then you can cut. Okay, it's a debatable discussion in the medical field. A lot of doctors say we'll wait 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Our own research at Evesmama, the shortest we saw for a cord to stop pulsating was about 7 minutes. So, and the longest we've seen was about 22 minutes. So we have been averaging between 7 and 22 minutes. So it can take quite a while. So 2 minutes may not be exactly the time needed for all the blood to be transfused. It might actually take a lot longer than that. So if you can talk to your care provider and see if they can delay, then it becomes a lot better, because then you're sure that all the blood gets transfused into the baby. Now, if you're collecting or harvesting what we call stem cells, then the cord will need to be cut a little sooner, because they will need blood. We'll talk about stem cells in the next video. But there you have it. That's what it means to delay cord cutting, and it is very, very vital for your baby. A lot of babies will suffer the consequences later, like around the age of 9 months. That's when they start to get anemic and they get very weak, because that's around the time they start to walk and their bones are not strong enough. So this is an investment for later in their lives. So give it to your baby. Our birth center takes care of moms during birth, and we are always very happy to involve the dad and mom at the birth of their baby. One of the best things we do is we give dads a chance to cut the cord. Yes, we'll take you through what that entails, and we'll give you the chance to disconnect your two loved ones immediately after birth. Visit us at our birth center. We'll be happy to share with you information on how we do our births. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.